Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can add money to your Chime account using a debit card. So let's get started. First, open your Chime app and log into your account. Once you're inside, tap on the Move Money tab. Next, select Add Money. You will see various options. Choose Debit Card. The app will prompt you to enter your card details if you haven't already added one. Enter your debit card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing zip code. Then tap Add Card. Once your card is linked, type in the amount you want to add to your Chime account. Review the information to make sure everything is correct. Then tap Add Money again to confirm. Chime will process the transaction. Usually it completes instantly, but sometimes it may take a few minutes. You can check your account balance in the spending or checking account to confirm the funds arrived. If you're adding money for the first time using that debit card, Chime might display a small temporary hold to verify the card. This is normal and should disappear within a short time. After that, you'll be able to use your funds for spending, mobile payments, or saving. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.